the professor of the Islamic lectures Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a big disadvantage for me to give a speech without knowing what was said before. I hope I will not repeat all the things which were said, and I hope I can say something new as well. First of all, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the University of Punjab, namely the Faculty of Oriental Lectures, for giving a happy hand to our embassy to organize this symposium on the spiritual kinship of the two national poets of Hungary and Pakistan, shine collectively and parallelly. But this event today is also dedicated to the 200th anniversary of the birth of Shalom Al-Fatihi. Thank you so much. So, 2023 will be dedicated by the Hungarian government to the celebration of the 200th anniversary all over the world where there are people who understand Hungarian language, not only those who are quite lucky to read the poems better in their native languages, as you are as well. Thank you very much. I do not intend to give a professional course on the topic because I am not a specialist on the question. What I can confine myself to is just saying a few words on the significance of Shalom Al-Fatihi for us Hungarians, and later on to pass some light on the origin of people's interest in Peterville, at least according to my own perspective. Despite being a relatively small country, with a population less than Lahore, and with a sparsely spoken language, we Hungarians have quite a large number of famous poets. But when you ask a Hungarian person, Hungarian person, who in his opinion is the greatest poet of the country, he will most probably say Shalom Al-Fatihi. Peterville is known and respected wherever Hungarian language is spoken. His name is associated with the poetry of Hungary, and he enjoys a place like that usually reserved to William Shakespeare in the English-speaking countries. I do not know what is the exact definition of being a national poet, but I do know one thing which is certain. This definition should contain that a national poet is someone who is part of the national cultural heritage, and even more than that, he or she should be part of the national identity. It means that a national poet's fame does not come only from the quality and excellence of his own writing, but also from the legend that was built around him by his contemporaries and by the generations that followed. Peterville's heritage and message are deeply imprinted on from the national hero for the Hungarians. Frederick became the spiritual father of the 1848 revolution, and his poem, National Song, I don't know if I started that, the National Song was recited by the public gatherings to inspire the Hungarian people to fight for their freedom. Later on, Frederick became the symbol of fight against all forms of dictatorship in the 20th century. I remember when the introduction of your book was in my house. You remember it? And you don't know here that in this book, the majority of the poems, they are very, very revolutionary poems. And when the introduction of this book was in my house in 2007, I was a little afraid that those poems were too revolutionary, and I was expected to be expelled from this country. But after all, it didn't happen, so I'm still here. So maybe these poems were not too revolutionary. Anyway. So I remember that evening in my house. The fact is that for young intellectuals, Frederick in Hungary always was a role model. A role model, especially during the revolution in 1956 against the Russian occupation. You know, there is a square in Budapest with Frederick's statue. This square was the scene of many demonstrations, even for my generation, during the political transition of 1989. The poems of Frederick were translated into many languages during his lifetime and continues to be translated to this day. And his poems also became a source of inspiration for many intellectuals. Let me share with you one very interesting detail that Frederick as a source of inspiration. Everybody knows the German philosopher Nietzsche. Even Ilman writes about him in his famous message of the East. But apart from being a philosopher, Nietzsche was also a very good musician who said 6 of Frederick's poems were music. On the other hand, as a philosopher who articulated modern disillusionment, Nietzsche wanted precisely what Frederick wanted: to radically transform the world, to do away with mediocrity in favor of genius and affirmation of wealth. Frederick's personality, his ideas were very similar to the personalities and the ideas of other epoch-making figures of this time, like for example Pushkin in Russia, Mickiewicz in Poland, Shelley, Keats, Weiner in England, and literally the Germans, Goethe, Schiller, Werther. So these artists are fundamental national figures, and as such, they were quite similar to each other. They laid the foundations of all revolutionary ideas. The two dominant passions in Frederick's poetry are liberty and love. In a short poem that may be regarded as his Ars Poetica, Frederick expressed his concept like this, I quote: liberty, love. These two I need. For my life, I will sacrifice life. For liberty, I will sacrifice my life. So, talking about this long list of those great artists, philosophers, with whom he can get a kind of spiritual kinship in the case of everything. We can also add to this long list the name of Arabic as well. However, the first question is, how did Iqbal become aware of Bedouin's poetry? I mean, it is difficult to imagine two countries geographically so too far away from each other and culturally so different from each other as Pakistan and Bedouin. So how come that Iqbal knew about Bedouin's poetry? This is a million-dollar question this evening today. I try to give my own answer, which maybe doesn't worth $1 million, but at least might bring us closer to reality. So, was he Professor Leitner? Leitner, the Hungarian boy register of the government college? I don't think so. I don't think so because Leitner died already by the time he was starting his studies in the government college. Was he Paul Stein? Maybe we are getting closer